Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon us all. Thank you for the opportunity for DhoMiri to describe about the prototype of our Mercure application. There are three modules of Mercure application, and we would concentrate on the first module, which is the Mercure seafood supply chain and surveillance, which is about 25 to 30% completion in the and we are undergone the prototype development. And for the second module, Nafas module, it is about 75 to 80% of completion, and the third module, the first hand curative module, is about 10 to 15% completion. The first module, we actually utilize the existing application in Android in the tablet or handphone, which is the tally counter developed by Marcel Bocher. And here we define several seafood units. There are three units, which are Bandeng Presto, Udang Kering Kenjeran from Sidoarjo, East Java, and Ikan Salmon. And we can specify the number of units of the bandeng or the seafood which are sold by the seller. And then after this, we share the list and then send it to the Mercure server like this, using the WhatsApp application. And before we send it to the Mercure number, we actually define who is the buyer by specifying the customer ID or the name and address of the buyer. And then we send it to the Mercure number. And actually in the server, which is PC or laptop, we install the WhatsApp application, and we can read all the incoming transaction or data into the Mercure number by using the WhatsApp application. And we also utilize this application to copy or read the WhatsApp message into the our database in laptop or PC. And then we also use the SQLite to process the selling and buying transaction. All the incoming data will be parsed, and then we multiply the number of unit of each seafood type with the price applied for each unit. And then we send the message, we process the message, and then we send back the message to the seller so that the transaction, the selling and buying transaction can be conducted. So the all this transaction is stored in the WhatsApp database, and then we can later on utilize this data to conduct the surveillance if we find the suspect or disease caused by the mercury poisoning. So this is the our module, and we are developing this module. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon us all.